Good afternoon, our listeners. I just want to share with you summary of today's sermon. Today we learnt about sex demons and their activities. Sex demons and their activities. And we said that succubus and incubus are sex demons. They are sent from the pit of hell to manipulate people, to dress immorally, and to do sexual perversions. So people dress anyhow, especially our ladies. They show their vital statistics, not knowing that they are under the control or the influence of these sex demons. And we said that sometimes these sex demons can come into your dream and sleep with you. When they see you on the road, they get attracted to you. So 2 Timothy 2:22, it says that we should flee sexual lust. We should flee sexual lust. And we talk about a lot of sexual perversions, bestiality, where people sleep with animals, prostitution, where people sleep with people for money, fornication, adultery. We talk about pornography. We talk about lesbianism, masturbation, men sleeping with men, women sleeping with women. And we found out in Sodom and Gomorrah, 2 angels visited Lot. The people of Sodom and Gomorrah wanted to sleep with those men, to the extent that Lot even wanted to give them their his daughters, 2 daughters. They said no. They still want the men to sleep with them. These are all sexual perversions. And these days, what do we see on the street? A lot of sexual perversion. It has become normal. Sexual immorality gradually corrupting our society. So we should be aware and we should be careful about sexual immorality, because every sin that a man does is outside his body, but every sin, the sexual sin, is inside your body. And we should take care and watch sexual immorality. We said that ways to fight sexual immorality include prayer. You must pray every morning, every evening. And also watch your mind. Your thought is very, very important, because Satan, you can't prevent Satan from bringing evil thought in your mind, but you can prevent yourself from thinking about them. So very important, watch your mind, what you dwell on. We also talk about feeding on the word, feeding on the word. And you need to suppress your body with fasting and prayers. Beloved, we said that marriage is not a solution to lust. The fact that you are married doesn't mean your lust is gone away. You have to deal with the issue of lust. Watch your eyes, watch your ears, watch the way you perceive things, so that you don't get into the network of succubus and incubus, sex demons, so that your life will be affected. Beloved, we invite you to Word Alive Chapel International, located at Sapema, behind the Greater Hope School. We would love to welcome you and fellowship with you. Come, and your life will never, never remain the same. You can call us on 0243 165548. This is the studios of Logos and Rema Radio, the radio station attached to Word Alive Chapel International. Come and be blessed. Come, and your life will never remain the same. I love you, but know that God loves you so much. God richly bless you. Stay blessed.